Hey guys, what's up? This is Mr. Tech. So in this video I will be unboxing the MI Band 2. So let's quickly check out the specs. As you can see, the battery is made of lithium polymer and the battery capacity is 70 mAh, and there are also some device requirements. So let's check out the box. And guys, you also get a 6-month warranty when you buy it in any country. As you can see at the top, you get the band sensor, and if you lift it, you get the strap, and this is it. And below it there are some paperwork, and here you can get the charging cable. Yeah, and let's take out the sensor. And as you can see, this is a sensor. It's very small. So guys, for charging it, you need to insert the sensor in here and you need to connect it for charging. So it has no charge now. So let me show you guys putting it in the strap. I'm going to insert it here. So it is. So guys, as you can see, the design is very beautiful and it is very small, so you won't have any problem wearing it in your hands. And this is it guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.